something a little bit newer than I'm used to. This is a 2013 Dodge Challenger with a 5.7. Of course, it's got the HEMI and the 6-speed and nice wheels. It's got some stripes, 20,000 miles. Dual exhaust out the back. She's pretty clean. Looking good on the lot. This is gonna be an easy test drive. This one's got the stripes with the red accents. They look pretty good. Sunroof. All right, guys, be sure to check out maplemotors.com. Financing and shipping is available. Detailed pictures and all of our inventories updated every single Monday with new rides. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. All right, looking around the interior, checking everything out. This is pretty modern, guys. I'm not gonna have much to actually check over, especially. Oh, I was off a 6,000. The dash is not actually scrolling like that. That's the refresh rate on my camera. It's showing 26,443. Dash on this one looks good. Interior's like new. Simple, quick test drive. And then we're gonna be looking over the paint for dents and scratches. Go ahead and start this one up. Touch screen, AC, traction control. Wait, go ahead and cut that off. It's got plenty of gas. You got some of your controls there. Of course, the horn works. Your turn signals popping up. This is gonna be easy, guys. Radio. Jams, tinted windows, sunglass holder, obviously, some visors, extendo visors. You got that extendo visor. All right, let's go ahead and take off down the road, see how this one runs and drives. Okay, guys, I do feel like this is gonna be pretty easy here. Sounds good. So watch out. This is one of the owner's cars too, so just letting you know, that's why it's low miles. It's been taken care of, and the guy that owned this one used to do all kinds of car shows, so he was real picky about cleaning. He's got a bunch of cars. That's the only reason he's selling it. He actually just bought another one. Everything's working on the dash. Let's go ahead and run her up into 5th gear. 6th gear there. We're just cruising now. Run it back down. Exhaust sounds awesome on this one. Luckily, I don't have to get gas today. He already did it for me. It's basically a brand new car. What you're hearing rattling is this new mount doohickey that I picked up. I've been trying out some different angles. If you notice, sometimes you gotta mix it up. I'm still gonna light up the undercarriage even though it's a brand new car. And just because it's Pat's car, I'm gonna ghost ride it right now. We're gonna get out and we're gonna let it roll by itself and get an intro video. He's gonna love it. He'll be like, Nick, you ghost ride my car. All right, let's do it. This will be fun. You basically just roll the window down, starts rolling. You just get out, let it roll downhill. You'll see it in the intro. Time to head on back to the car lot. Test drive went very well in this one. I seen a little ding in the door. Other than that, the outside looks great. Kind of running through the gears, giving you a chance to listen to the car. Well, pretty self-explanatory. I put a few miles on it throughout this test drive. Cold AC, brand new car basically at 26,000 miles. That's not bad at all for a 2013 model. This is 10 years old, or 11 years old technically, and it's only got 26,000 miles, so that's pretty awesome. Be sure to check out the detailed pictures, the financing and shipping that we have available on our website. I know we don't normally get these kind of cars in, but it is a sports car. That's what we sell. So we just sell older ones. She's plenty fast. She feels good. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Here to pick out the flaws. Anything I see, you'll know about it. And I was kind of standing back looking around, and I see the little ding in the door here. Probably a parking lot ding, because people are rude and park all the way up on you, especially when you have a nice car. I'm gonna do the same to the other side real quick. Stand out. This side looks straight. I don't see anything. All right, we're gonna start in the front. Now we got some chips in the front. It looks like bug guts, honestly. A little chip there, a little chip there. The rest of it looks like bug guts. A couple little chips. It is the front end. You jump on the interstate, you're bound to get some right up here in the front end. Little scuff there. Coming down the side, up and over the fender well. Speck there. Dirt. Looks like a little dirt back there. I have a feeling this one's going to be pretty easy. Dust. I love that color. Trunk on this one still looks good. Jams are clean. Trunk's pretty big. Dust. Spot there up in the corner too. That ding there. I'm gonna say I'd have to pull that ding out. That's the only dent in the whole car. It can't be that much to get pulled out. I know those dent guys, I think they were like, what, $50 a dent or something? That may have changed. It definitely has time has went by since I quoted one of those. Is that a touch-up mark? Okay, well, near perfect. Let's go ahead and check out the interior. Yeah, it's been a few years since I had any dents quoted. That should come right out. Light little scuff there in the middle. It's so clean in here. None of that's flashing on the dash. That's my camera refresh rate. Pretty easy test drive here, guys. Be sure to hit subscribe, share this video. Most of my test drives are classic cars. This one here is a sports car. We do sell sports cars, so we don't mind putting a few newer styles on either. Probably have a Camaro coming up here soon as well. Keep your eyes out for the new inventory. It's up every single Monday at 12 o'clock. You can also see that at maplemotors.com, along with financing and shipping. Don't forget to hit subscribe, share this video. Thank y'all very much. I'll see you later.